Okay, let's get you some updates on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta is here now with us. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're tracking this morning?
Well, I'm looking at the soft commodities, Sonia, because while everything else seems to be buzzing a lot, this is a sector that usually gets not watched enough. And I'm looking at soft commodities also trading on the lower side, by the way. The strength in US dollar and the weak economic data seems to be weighing onto this space. Also, apart from that, it is about the individual fundamentals. So palm oil prices are trading at a 7-month lows, and we are looking at higher, better production from the major producing countries. So Indonesia is looking at higher production, and there are slower exports from Malaysia that has been recorded from the 1st of 15th of May. Also, extension of the Black Sea grain deal is something that really did take a lot of premium off the prices there. And then slowdown in the global demand. India has imported a lot of palm oil. Nearly 60% of the edible oil that we import is palm, and we have enough availability. So there is a bit of a slowdown there as well. It's not just palm. Rubber prices have continued to decline. We're trading at an 8-week lows right now at 132 cents a kg. There also is a report from the Major Producing Countries Association, which says that this year the global demand estimates can see a decline of 2.9% on an year-on-year basis. So the demand concerns itself seems to be weighing on the markets. Coffee is another thing. We saw strong gains in the first half of this year, the first quarter rather, and then we're looking at prices trading at a 6-week lows right now. The production scenarios has improved from the major countries. So Vietnam is looking at 5% higher production this time around, and Colombia nearly 2% on the higher side. If you look at the grinding numbers, those have declined a bit. That means that the demand on ground isn't so great. And then Brazil also is expected to have a great Arabica and a record Robusta harvest. So clearly prices don't have too much of an upside remaining here. Sugar is another one. We were trading at 11-year highs onto this one. We've been reporting that. But currently, the prices are trading at a 4-week lows. That is because many of those long positions have seen some unwinding, and that has seen some profit taking come in for the prices. Cotton is another one, which is an industrial commodity, and we are looking at not very strong textile exports, apparel exports, and prices are trading at a 2-week lows right now. And that also is because with the cotton prices constantly declining, there is a rush between the farmers to bring the cotton or the raw material to the mandis as well, and that has brought the prices further down. So this is the scenario for this week itself, where we are looking at everything in negative, a percentage point decline in palm, and 3 to 4% of a decline is what we are looking at in cotton, sugar, coffee, and even rubber.
Okay, thanks.